Finding out if you can make money with your hobby on YouTube comes down to 4 crucial questions, and number 4 is the most important one. But first, let me illustrate the importance of these questions through a personal story. So I was speaking the other day with someone very close to me, and I asked how happy they were with their current day job, and you know what their answer was? 3 out of 10. And when I asked them what would increase their happiness dramatically, they said, if I were to pretty much drop everything, buy myself a small minivan and travel the world with my wife and 2 kids, visiting all the most beautiful places on earth. Cool, lofty goal, right? But couple of questions. Do you already love doing that? People who are passionate about their hobbies, they just love doing that hobby without any material reward in it. It's just their passion and they enjoy doing it. And they can see themselves doing it whether they get paid for it or not. This is a very important thing because earning money from doing your hobby can be a very long, grueling process, and if you are in it just for money, you will quit very fast. Second question, are you good at doing your hobby? If this is something that you have been doing for a couple of years, chances are that you are great at your hobby. And if you have been traveling for a couple of years now, you are probably an expert compared to someone who's just about to make their first trip, and they can learn a whole lot from you. And if you have been doing your hobby for quite some time now, and if you are not sure if YouTube is the right move for you, I got this free blueprint that will take you through all the fundamentals and get you up to speed with YouTube. So if you don't know what niche is, if you are not sure how to set up your channel, if you are not sure what to talk about, I can get you up to speed in the fastest way humanly possible. And if you are looking for some more specific details regarding your current hobby, you can check out my free school group YouTube Hobby Academy. You have all resources you need for your YouTube journey right there. Question number 3. Does the world really need your hobby? Is there enough demand in the world for your hobby? If you make videos about your hobby, will anyone watch them? And this can be answered by simply searching YouTube for niche-related videos. For example, what minivan to buy for long-distance travels, top travel gear for campers, or most visited places in America. If people are already watching this type of videos, that means there's demand for it and you can throw yourself into the mix. And the most important question of them all, can you be paid for this hobby of yours? And the truth is, 99% of hobbies can be paid in several different ways. My friend had no idea how to monetize his travel hobby, but together we came up with 7 different ways to earn money from traveling. Number 1, affiliate marketing. He could promote travel gear, he could promote cameras, drones, or camping equipment. Number 2, brand deals. He could collaborate with brands like GoPro, North Face, Garmin, or some travel apps. He could also sell digital products like PDF guides about budget-friendly family travel or road trip planners. He could also earn revenue from YouTube AdSense. He could offer exclusive content on YouTube membership or Patreon page. He could also offer a mini course on how to travel full-time with a family. He could offer one-on-one coaching for families wanting to travel. If you have an answer for those 4 questions, you are right here in the middle, and this is the perfect place to be. There is no reason to stay at that dead-end job and keep being miserable. Use your hobby, start making some videos and change your life. If you want to see how I turned my hobby into a successful YouTube channel, check out this video right here. You don't need any experience, you don't need any expensive gear. Just follow this simple step-by-step process and get your hobby out there.